Welcome everyone to HueFin. We're also known as HueFin News. Today is April the 2nd, 2021, and here we are. We're going to give you all the updated price prediction in the market for Loopring. We're one of the first ones to tell you that nothing else matters in the cryptocurrency space outside of the price. That is the main thing that everyone is worried about, is where will price go in the future so that they can win, so that they can profit. And that's what we focus in on this particular channel. We don't focus in on any other FOMO, any other FUD, or what anyone else is talking about, because literally those things react to the price. The price is always the first thing that moves right before any other FOMO or FUD comes through. So for us, we pay attention to the price chart only. Looking at the price bars and the volume will give you a better idea as to where the market's anticipated to go. So we're going to break that down today for Loopring, talk about our last price prediction, and then give you all the update as to where we're expecting price to go so that we can get in position right before anyone else. So if you appreciate it, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to this channel. So now let's talk about our last price prediction for Loopring. The last time we did our price prediction in Loopring was on March the 16th. Okay. And as you all can tell, we kept our price prediction the same. We didn't change it, in anticipation that the market in Loopring was going to continue to drop in price. And that is precisely what happened following our video. Okay. Because prior to that moment, you guys can see that Loopring was just simply consolidating and trading from left to right. That was the only thing that was going on into the market. So we didn't change our prediction because we wasn't expecting the market to see higher price movement. Now you all may say, well, you got stopped out at 64 cents or 65 cents. No, we didn't, because we don't use stop losses in our predictions. Stop losses give the trap the advantage because he can see every one of your stop losses on his books. So he literally would take the price there only to take out your position and then move the market lower. That is what he has done right there on March the 17th. But if you keep it, meaning if you keep your stop loss within yourself, you don't tell no one else where your stop loss will be, then you'll have the advantage. He can't see that. So what we say is keep your stop losses to yourself. Keep it within your own mind and don't tell no one where your stop loss will be, because then you're giving them the heads up as to where you would exit out the position. And all I would have to do if I was to trap would be, okay, I see that he has his stop loss at that price. Let me take the market up there, take it out the way, and then let me take the market down. And then you'll find out that you were correct in your prediction, but you couldn't capitalize on it because he took out your position first. All right. So real quick, I think we said that TP in that video on March the 15th or 16th was going to be around 45 cents. You guys can see right there at the very bottom of the movement to the downside that the market came to 45 cents on the 25th. Okay. So congratulations to those who were expecting the market to go lower. It took a while. And that's one of the hardest things, is timing. And it took a long while for us to actually see Loopring go to the downside. And it goes that way sometimes. Sometimes you got to be patient, let the market continue to work, and you just come in every once in a while and evaluate to see if anything changed. And if it hasn't, you continue on and wait until the traffic takes the price of where you expect it to go. So that's it. Let's take that away. All right, so now real quick, we are seeing the market in Loopring give us some areas of sideways trading action. Okay, just did our video for Latentry, and the market is giving us the same type of price action. Okay, so this area right here is restriction around 62.5 cents. This area down here is support for the time being. Okay, now we're not seeing the market in Loopring in a uptrend, or are we? Could this market in Loopring still, yes, in Loopring still be in an uptrend? Let's see. And as you can tell, we are. This market in Loopring is still in an uptrend. So what we're going to do, actually, I'm not going to hold the market as being in a consolidational range. We're going to take that out, and we're going to simply follow the market following that ascending line. Okay, so now this is it. Let me bring this down a little bit closer so that we all can see the market trend. Okay, so now you guys can see we pretty much have like an ascending triangle, or you might see some people draw this. See, literally you can actually draw what you want on a price chart to gauge what the market is going to do. Anyone can convince themselves just simply by placing some lines on the chart as to where the market is headed, literally. And that's why there can't be no right or wrong answers. You see what you want to see on the price chart and you act upon it, right? So we're still seeing the market in Loopring in an uptrend, and looking over here on the last couple of days, trading days, the market here is still emphasizing that it has a little bit more strength. Now, I'm not telling you that the market is overly bullish, not at all, but the strength is definitely enter the market. It is here, but it might not be extreme as what most people would like to see. We're not seeing that much strength though. On the 5-day time frame, real quick on Loopring, I like what's going on into the market. I see 60 cents as the closest area of restriction. The market can go up to that particular price before we see another leg to the downside. Generally, the market here is definitely emphasizing to us that it wants to go higher in price. Okay, so he's letting us know, meaning the trap is letting us know where he's trying to take this particular cryptocurrency Loopring. He's trying to take the price higher. But like I told you, based off the volume, based off of the type of price bars that we are seeing, we are not anticipating the market in Loopring to have like a massive breakout. Okay, so let's do this here. What we're going to do in this particular video, we are going to go ahead and drop a price prediction into the market in Loopring. And like I told you, real conservative. I'm not really expecting a massive breakout to occur. It's always on the table, but from what we're noticing, 60 cents will be the next area of restriction, which will give us about 7% profitability from where we're seeing the last trade happen today, right now. Okay. We're going to have some support around 50 cents. I'm going to drop it down just a tad though. Right there towards 47, 48 cents. Okay. Now I'm going to bring up here to restriction though. We would come in and TP out the market. TP simply means we'll come in and take the profit right there at 60 cents because we are anticipating to see some selling there. But I'm going to bring it up here towards 62, almost 63 cents in that realm as well. Okay, so that's about it. Nothing hard, nothing confusing. This is our updated price prediction into the market in Loopring. You all can tell the market is still following the trend. We've seen it here to where the trend was supported, and then we're seeing it again here. So all in all, the market is still healthy in Loopring, but we're just not convinced that we're going to see a massive breakout occur. Not yet. So drop your comment in the comment section below. Let us know where you all expect the market in Loopring to go in the next 3 weeks. Where will price be? Because as always, if you really want to win, if you want to be competitive and get the advantage over everyone else who is in this market trying to beat you, you need to get in position right before them. So tell us, what do you all expect the price to be for Loopring? And outside of that, predict, then you profit, then you win. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.